Hello friends, today we shall discuss different deficit concept. One is revenue deficit, second is fiscal deficit, third is primary deficit, and fourth is effective revenue deficit. Now coming to the first one, that is revenue deficit. Revenue deficit is the difference between the total revenue expenditure and total revenue receipts. Because there are capital receipts as well as revenue receipts, and when we discuss the revenue deficit, we take into consideration only the revenue expenditure and the revenue receipts. So if the total revenue expenditure exceeds the total revenue receipt, then we call revenue deficit. Now the second definition, that is fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit includes both revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Similarly, it takes revenue receipt and it takes only the non-debt capital receipts. So first, to define fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is the difference between the total expenditure and the revenue receipt plus the non-debt capital receipts. So if we write in equation, then it will be total expenditure, which includes revenue expenditure and capital expenditure, minus the total revenue receipts minus the total non-debt capital receipts. Now what is non-debt capital receipts? Non-debt capital receipts is basically the payment that we get from the disinvestment proceeds. So that is basically the non-debt capital receipts. That if sometimes government sells the public sector undertakings or sells a part of the share of a company, government company, so some proceeds are obtained from that. That is called as non-debt capital receipts. So we do not include the receipts; those are borrowed. Okay, so when we define fiscal deficit, it is basically the total expenditure minus the total revenue receipts minus the non-debt capital receipts. So that is fiscal deficit. Then comes primary deficit. Primary deficit is basically the fiscal deficit minus all the interest payments. That is primary deficit. And then comes effective revenue deficit. Effective revenue deficit basically is the revenue deficit minus all the grants given for creating capital assets. Because some grants are given by different departments to different agencies, and that grant could be used for creating capital assets, and that's how we have to deduct that component to get the effective revenue deficit. So again, effective revenue deficit is total revenue deficit minus the grants given for the creation of the capital assets. So again, to have a quick recap, revenue deficit is total revenue expenditure minus total revenue receipts. Then fiscal deficit is total expenditure minus total revenue receipts minus total non-debt capital receipt, non-debt capital receipts. Then comes primary deficit. Primary deficit is fiscal deficit minus interest payment, and then fourth one, that is effective revenue deficit. Effective revenue deficit is revenue deficit minus the grants given for the creation of capital assets. That's all about different concepts of deficit. Thank you for watching this video.